So, good morning, trade riders. We are going to take two trades for today. This is a very high risk trade, no? So, let's start with AUD USD. So, dito yung entry natin. Um, Pwede ba natin ito i-move? Oh, yun, pwede naman. So, this is our entry. Pero, ito na lang. So, entry natin is ito. Um, this is 4-hour time frame. So, as you can see, kung bakit natin to entry, um, simply because this is a bearish fair value gap. Tapos, this downtrend liquidated this area, no? Kung makikita nyo, lagyan natin yan ng ano. Ayan. So, kita nyo naman, liquidated and then, nag-close pa sa baba. So, itong entry natin, this is the perfect retracement for this area. And stop loss natin is dito. Stop loss natin, it is going to be $120 that we are going to risk. Tapos, ang take profit natin is 379. Actually, dito sana yung gusto ko, no? Ito sana, 480 yung total. Kaso nga lang, um, we have to respect the fair value gap, no? May fair value gap kasi dito eh. So, zoom natin, kaya ba? Ayun. So, itong area na to, this is the fair value gap. Actually, ito yung fair value gap. Remove lang natin yung mga drawings, no? Delete, and delete. So, ayan. So, ito yung fair value gap, guys. Itong area na to. Ito, hanggang itong zone na to, ito. Ayan. So, itong zone na to kasi fair value gap yan, no? So, we have to respect this area dahil nga fair value gap dito nagsimula or dito sa area na to, this is what we call um, a demand area, no? So, sobrang, demand, supply. This is a supply area kasi from this candle, lumipad yan. So, and yung paglipad nito is masyadong mataas, no? So, we have to respect this, ano tawag dito? We have to respect this fair value gap. So, fair value gap sa fair value gap yung magiging ano natin, entry and exit. Tapos, swing high yung magiging stop loss natin. So, this is a $120 risk. Tapos, dito naman tayo sa kabila, AUDNZD. Saan na ba yan? Ayan. AUDNZD naman, Australian dollar pa din. We are still looking at a potential sell. So, as you can see, remove muna natin yung objects, no? Ayun. So, we are still going to entry sa fair value gap. Ayan. So, napakaliit na fair value gap. Ayan. So, nakita nyo naman from week netong bullish candle sa week netong bearish candle. So, meron dyang maliit na gap. So, this is what we are going to take, no? So, stop loss natin, tinaasan lang natin ng konti, pero it's either there or here. So, we are risking, pero ito na lang, we are risking about $80. And ang potential take profit natin dito is, so, ang take profit natin is ganito. Saan ba tayo nag-TP? Of course, nag-TP tayo sa liquidation area, which is yung swing low, $239. So, it's either we are going to lose $80 or we are going to win $239. So, overall, we are risking about $200 right now. So, yung pera natin, $719, hindi ko alam ano nangyari kung bakit binawasan ni RoboForex. Parang may nakita akong ano. Pero, of course, ang gagawin ko dito is ibabalik ko na lang yung nawala na, magkano ba yung nawala? $80, no? So, $80 yung nawala, ibabalik ko siya mamaya. may communicate ako kay RoboForex kung bakit 805 yan eh. Tapos naging 719. So, I will communicate with RoboForex kung anong nangyari sa $80. Bakit nawala. So, anyways, this is a greedy week. This is a very greedy week. We are risking $200 from our $800 capital. And we are looking at a potential 239 plus 378. We are looking at a potential $617 win. So, ayun. So, dapat gagawin ko lang sanang 50. Kaso nga lang, masyadong let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. Pero, let's start it with $200 risk for the week. So, ayan. So, of course, ano ba yung mga mag-aano sa atin? Ano ba yung mga magko-confirm na tama yung natin? Tama yung tawag dito? Tama yung trading plan natin. So, we are looking at this support area dati, no? Support area siya. Tapos, ayan, kung makikita nyo naman, support, dito sa area, tapos sa part na to, this is parang resistant area siya. Every time na umaabot siya dito sa zone na to is bumababa. Kumbaga, hindi siya nagiging successful umakyat, 'di ba? So, ganyan din dito, hindi siya nagiging successful umangat sa zone na to. So, nung nakalagpas naman siya, hindi naman siya makababa sa zone na to. Ayan. So, ilang candles yan. Itong zone na to, hindi siya makababa. Tapos, nung nakababa naman siya is, yung week, inabot lang din dito. So, hindi naman siya makaangat. So, siya yung naging fair value gap. So, we are looking at this na abot siya dito sa area na to at bababa siya. So, ito yung na to, itong mga weeks na to yung magsisilbing resistance. So, para hindi siya makakyat sa ibabaw. So, and sa take profit naman, we have to respect. Gusto ko sanang kunin itong liquidity na to. Kaso nga lang, we have to respect yung, tawag dito, we have to respect the fair value gap. No? Kung abutin man siya sa baba, tapos bumalik lang sa, sa fair value gap na zone, yun yung, di ba? So, we have to respect it. Pag tumama dito, okay na yun, $378, close na. So, sa kabila naman, AUD and ZD naman, same thing, no? Still, we are looking at a downtrend market. Ayan, downtrend tayo. So, and eto lang. So, inabot niya kasi to kung makikita nyo, no? So, history, it's repeating itself, 'di ba? So, makikita nyo, itong na to, fair value gap yan. Ito, yung dito. So, kung makikita nyo, fair value gap yung inabot niya. Tapos, umangat siya ulit. Gumawa siya ng isang order block. Tapos, ayan, pababa siya ulit. So, dito, pwede na tayong tumarget dito ng, anong tawag dito? Pwede na tayo tumarget dito ng liquidity. So, ayan, yung liquidity na tinarget natin. So, we are looking at a potential $239 win or a potential $80 loss. So, that's it. That's our trade for today. And thank you.